The reason some people will continue to be wealthy is not far-fetched. It is because they continue to invest in income-generating assets, especially that of the weekly, monthly, or daily cash flow. Come with me, let's see the interior of this 3-bedroom duplex with BQ. This mansion is built in Omole, Phase 1, Ikeja, Lagos, and it is less than 20 minutes from the Muritala Mohammed Airport. These features include the automated door, the spacious living area with our dining set, of course, and then this is a well-equipped kitchen. There's also a storage area. We have 24 hours power supply, and we also have the washing machine in this environment. Right on the stairs, we've got the spacious all-ensuite bedroom. So what more can you talk about? You can actually make up to 40 to 45 million naira yearly on this property. Ask me how. Let's calculate together. 150,000 naira per night, say 20 to 25 days in a month, and then 12 months in a year. You can also do the calculation. This mansion is what I call the real steez. For you to know more about this place, call the number displaying on the caption of your video. I'll be expecting to hear from you.
Let us go to football and see why the reformation of this country, or to make this country better, is supposed to be the first thing in life. Olympic outing. We need to reform our federation sports minister. Who is saying it's sports minister? I said we need to reform. It's not only reforming. We don't need reforming. This man you are seeing on the picture here is talking about reform. When you are operating in a government that embezzle fund, in a formal government that is high-handed, a government that we only believe in, let us pocket it. How will people do well? These athletes I'm showing you here are the ones that have attended to an outing and they did not do well. Why? The proper things are not given to them. And they are talking about reforming. They are talking about reforming while proper things are not given to them. How can you reform people that are not well equipped? As the abysmal performance of the team Nigeria at the 2024 Paris Olympic continues to raise dust, Minister of Sports Development John Eno says the different sporting federation in the country need comprehensive reform for efficient sports development. Do you see it? The plumbing. The minister, who apologized to the Nigeria over the poor outing in Paris, indicate the leadership of the sporting federation for the lackluster performance, emphasizes that need for system and the structure at the federal to get the best athletes to present Nigeria and get the desired medal in the next game. You see it? He said you need to structure the federation sporting for Nigeria to get. How do you get this kind of things when the money that is supposed to be used to take care of these athletes, to train them very well, to give them time, they give you money, you pocket it, and they are complaining. Everybody is complaining. It's not today, even before they will go using their money to rent a house where they will sleep and that kind of thing. He said, I always stated that we need to reform our federation. He said on the channel's TV's Politics today's program on Wednesday, just like Wednesday. I am also glad that the discussion are going on now, and I need this discussion to continue. Let it not be limited to the reaction because we didn't get the medal. How can you get a medal when your country is in trouble? The person who is an athlete, if he's not a Yoruba, is a Hausa. If he's not an Hausa, he's a Biafran, the Igbo man or the Igbo woman. If the problem is not going on in Yoruba, it is. Can't you see? Even only the agitation, the agitation that was done some days ago is enough for anyone not to do well in Nigeria. Not only that, if it's not Yoruba now, Yoruba will say, it is Hausa, or Igbo will say, it is Yoruba. Bringing ethnicity division, ethical sentiment into the system. How will they do well? Boko Haram is in the north, killing the northerners. If he or she is a northerner, how will he concentrate? Won't he be thinking, have my family not gone? If it's an Igbo man, Fulani herdsmen are in Igbo land killing people, unknown gunmen, army destroying properties of people. Is it not enough for the person to be thinking, my house now has been raised, or my family, how are they? You will live in a divided mind. How will you be effective in anything you are doing? If it's in Yoruba now, Moteko is there now, and the problems are there, hunger is there, you'll be thinking, how is my family managing life now? Now, wow, how will it? Is it not enough for them not to do well? People brought disintegration bill, and the senator be what said there is nothing. They never had that. All of you will become dumb and deaf in this country because you people don't see. And whatever you see, you say you did not see. Whatever you hear, you did not hear. Anyone under the sound of my voice, whether your brother, your sister, who is looking at the best thing to be done in this country as a useless thing, he hears it and keep quiet, and he hears it, he say he did not hear. He will remain deaf and dumb in this country. This is what I have proclaimed. Anyone that is in the authority, who is hearing the plight of the people, and say he will not do it, and do as if he did not hear it, he will remain deaf and dumb. He will remain stagnant in this life. God is going to punish him and punish his generation who are supporting them. I don't support evil. This is wonderful love. Continue following us. Show your love by subscribing. And thank you so much. God bless you. Till next time.